Hello everyone. Today's question is divide array into arrays with max difference. So basically the question says that you have been given an integer array nums with the size n and a positive integer k. Now we just have to divide the array into different the size of 3, like, and there is a condition that needs to be met. Each element, like whatever element in the array, that the, this element should occur only once. That this all the elements should be used only once, and the difference between the elements, like, we will make an array of size 3, right? So the difference between each of the elements should always be less than equal to k. So here is an example. So this is the array 1 3 4 8 7 and so on. So the pair of elements that can be made is 1 1 3 3 4 5 and 7 8 9. Now the difference between each of the elements 1 1 1 3 and this 1 3, that should it is less than k. So we have to return a 2D array such that if any of these possible pairs exist, otherwise we have to return an empty list stating that this pair of elements are not possible. So basically, given an array, let's suppose 1 6 5 2 3 4, we basically have to make sure, like, so the pairs which we are making, right, the elements of here, so the group of 3 elements, these elements, the difference between all the elements is less than k. So basically we have to minimize the difference between adjacent elements in the array, and the best way to do that is to basically use an element which is just greater. We can basically sort the array. So after sorting the array, what we will get the element such that for this element, the number which will have the least difference from this will be the next greater element 2. Similarly for 2 it will be 3. So what we can basically do, we can just sort the array, and then for each group of 3 elements we can check if the condition is met. If at any time the condition is not met, we can return an empty list. Otherwise we can keep pushing the pair of elements into a 2D array and then return it. So this is what we are doing. So we will sort the array, and this sorting will work in n log n complexity. Internally it does merge sort, and after that we are making a 2D array, basically 2D vector. This is a pointer to the array, and each time we are just comparing if the first and the third element, since the element is sorted, let's suppose 1 2 3, so if we can compare the difference between the first and last element, that will be sufficient, because if this element's difference is less than k, then definitely these two difference will always be less than k. So if the difference between the third and the first element is more than k, then we will return empty list. Otherwise we will push back nums of I plus 1 and I plus 2, and we will increment I by 3. So in this way we will get one of the possible, because we have to return, if it is there are multiple answers possible, then we have to return any one of them. And the question has told that the size of n is the multiple of 3, so we need not worry about some edge cases that the n is not a multiple of 3 and then there is one element or two element extra, right? In an array there are possibilities that if we divide the array into a size of 3, either there is one element left or two element left at the end, but that will not happen because it is told that n is a multiple of 3. So we just have to check this condition and this should work. So we can run this test case here. So if we see, this is the test case, and if we sort the numbers, we will get 1 1 3 3 4 5 7 8 and then 9. So I is initially at 0, right? The indexes are 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So for I we will check I and then I plus 2. We will check the difference. The k value is 2 here. So we'll check the difference. The difference is 2, that is less than equal to k. The condition is met. We will basically push this element, and then we will update I by 3. So we will, from 0 we will go to 3. Now at 3 we will check the difference between 3 and 5th element, which is again 2. We will push the element 3 4 5. Now 5 plus, now 3 plus again 3 will be 6. At 6 we will again check the difference, that is less than equal to 2. Then we will push this element, and then we will return this 2D array. same like this. Similarly here, if we see, if we sort the numbers, it will be 1 2 3 3 sorry 3 3 3 7 3 3 3 7. Now this is satisfying the condition, but here if you see, the difference between 3 and 7 is 4, which is more than k. K value is 3. So the condition is this, it will go into this condition and it will return an empty list. So yeah, this is the solution. We can try to submit this. Yeah, so in this way we can solve this question. Please let me know if you have any doubts. Thank you.